Hi, Mubite Trader. We are going to show you how to create account on Bybit.com and sub-accounts on the platform Bybit.com. We are going to do this because you can have as many challenges as you have a sub-account on Bybit.com, up to $1 million in allocation. So let's go directly to Bybit.com platform. On the top right corner, you have option for sign up. For the residents, you always use United Arab Emirates. Click here your email, create account. So now we are waiting for the verification code. Just be sure that your password is at least 8 characters long, having at least one uppercase, one lowercase, and one number. So now you have this is a dashboard of your Bybit.com account, real many accounts. So now we are going to click on the top right corner where is this icon of your face, of your mail. Here you click the switch or create account. So now you can see you don't have sub accounts yet. You can click on create in this yellow option. I'm going to call it Martin first. Just click confirm. If you go again to the top right corner, switch and create accounts. Now you can see that we have one sub account. Let's do the other one for the demonstration. So Martin second, confirm. And you got Martin first and Martin second. So let's go to the Martin first account. Click on the Martin first. We are already switched off to the Martin first. We are going to do demo money or the simulation money. So again, you go to top right corner and you scroll down the very last option, which is demo trading. So now here we are in demo trading platform on Bybit. You just click this, start trading with 100K. And if you go to the top right corner, now we are in the sub account, you click API. And in here, you can create a new key. Here you can actually connect your challenges with your sub accounts on Bybit.com. So thank you guys for watching and have a good life with your trading.